Hello all and welcome back to the DevLog series. Today's a short little update on some new systems that I'm working on, or actually the implementation of the item tier system, which you can kind of see here. So I've got it displaying what tier each item is currently, and based off the tier, different things are going to happen. So when I equip this tier 1 sword, you'll see that my attack damage is increased by 15. If I increase or add the tier 2, it increases by 20, then 25, and then 30. So basically, every additional tier the weapon is, it gets an additional 5 damage per tier. It's just the way it's all currently set up. So that is out there and functioning. Let's see. All right. So next up is basically talking about the basic attacks and the passive, which let me bring up the code for all of that. So what you just saw when it did the 1717 and then the 67 damage was the actual passive. So the sword passive currently just gives you an extra 50 damage every 3 strikes that you do. And it has to specifically be basic attacks. So that's the only thing that will activate that, because it will check that it's a basic attack. Let's see, so the actual basic attack itself, or sorry, yeah, the sword basic has a base damage of 10, and then a attack damage ratio of 50% essentially. So what will happen is you'll get 10 damage per tier of the item, and then it's going to also give you 50% of the attack damage added into that. So we're seeing 17 because you have 10, and then the attack damage is 15, so it's basically just rounding up to 7 on the AD ratio there, so that gives you that 17 attack damage. So that means when we equip the tier 2 sword, now getting 30 damage per hit. So that just means that we have 10 damage here from that 20 AD plus 20 here gives you the 30. So the equations are functioning there properly the way they should. What else do we have in here to discuss? Let's see. Yeah, that pretty much touches on everything. So that actually lets you see how the passive is functioning, and that's pretty much that. And then here in the actual item, you kind of see how it calculates everything. The base of 15 plus the 5 here, that's the actual calculation going on there. Anyways, the tier system is somewhat functional. Can't craft any of these upper tier items yet, but that is in the works for next video and up in the as a next system. Anyways, that's all for now, and have a great day.